but it was all we had. And the newly introduced TVF Avenger. And here she comes now, Josh Wilson in the controls, and about to play, there were 6 TVF Avengers available. Now I want you to know that despite the plans against being done with several dive bombers of the United States Navy, flying alongside the TVF Avenger, as I said, 6 Avengers were available in the Massachusetts way. They were fielded against Japanese surface vessels, 4 Japanese aircraft carriers, and 5 the last Navy squadron to have been launched aerial in combat. It should be remarked that the departure from earlier designs like the TVF Avenger, now passing overhead, the Avenger had employed a float or lid. The torpedo that he carried was contained within this bay.
We might also mention the thing that after the performance, you have a splendid chance to go flying yourself. Besides the normal museum, always is selling rides. Here we go, there's the Avenger Knight rolling out. Even without his tail put down, which is really pretty neat. We're at the field. You can always come to the museum to fly. Beautiful red Waco that's parked in front of the main hangar. You see them in the